Find or read reviews that people are talking about ouluu Large Portable Sauna Box. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Large Portable Sauna Box. The portable sauna for home measures 3.2 x 3.2 x 6.0, giving you plenty of room to stretch out and fully relax. Whether you prefer to sit or lie down, you can find the perfect position and let the soothing warmth envelop your body. 3 liters sauna steamer. Powerful steam generation capability. This upgraded feature of the steam sauna ensures more and faster steam generation, wrapping your body in warm mist. Our sauna tent steamer offers up to 15 adjustable temperature levels, giving you full control over the intensity and temperature of your sauna. Safety first. Our portable steam sauna features an advanced safety design with anti-dry burning and explosion-proof functions. Enjoy peace of mind as you immerse yourself in the soothing steam, knowing that your well-being is protected. Sauna Moon Chair. We understand the importance of comfort during your personal sauna sessions. That's why we've upgraded and enlarged our sauna chair to provide you with maximum comfort and support. Relax and unwind as you sink into the plush seating, designed to make your experience even more enjoyable. Convenient and portable. Our portable sauna box is designed for your convenience. Setting up the ouluu sauna box is a breeze, and it can be easily assembled and disassembled, making it perfect for both home and travel use. Experience the luxury of a spa-like experience wherever you go. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.